You're done with the paperwork? Okay then, as soon as I get to the office, I'll make the transfer. Alright. Please, I don't want any complications. Do a thorough job. Okay, thank you. Jojo! 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 Please open the gate.
Okay, today marks your end on the surface of the earth. I will return you to dust where you came from. Oh, no! No! Hey! Oh, no, you get out! Leave the way!
I will not let you hurt my husband.
Leave this place, Mom! Get out! Leave this place! Oh! The great lioness! I want you to lead the way! Get out! Okay, now you must die! 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 No! 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 No!
Babe, are you okay? Jojo! Sir! Babe, Jojo, come! Come here, sir! Come help me put her in the car! Sir, I'm innocent, sir! I'm innocent, sir! Jojo! Sir! Stop me! Will you come and give me a hand? Jojo! Gently! Open the gate! Open the gate!
Stand up. Stand, the great lioness. Stand up! Mother.
Mother! Mother!
Yeah. I can't stand. Your sister broke my spine. I wonder why she did this to her own mother. She betrayed me.
Barbara! I will kill her. Barbara, I will kill you with my bare hands. I will sink my hands into your stomach and pull out that child. Barbara, no! I should drink your blood. Barbara, I will drink your blood. This is the handwork of my sister, my elder sister Barbara. She slapped my mother, our mother, in the face. Chief Doko, you're the lion. We know you too well. We know your powers. You had never declined or shown no interest in helping my mother. This is Lion's war. You must come in, because my mother will not remain crippled for the rest of her life. Please.
Your mother is very, very stubborn. When a lioness dissociates from the pride, she must be very, very strong to face the hyenas. She must be very strong to face the other beasts in the jungle. Do you want to kill your own blood?
But she almost killed us today. She almost killed her own mother. I mean, who does that?
No. That was not what happened. I saw everything before you arrived. You, the lioness, paid her unwanted visit to her home. A mother should not be happy to see her daughter becoming a widow. No way. So go to her. Tell her that her bitterness is eating her up. She must learn to forget. She must learn to forgive.
What about the 9 code? Lioness, don't forgive. Lions eat up lions.
When you eat up your own sister in anger, what happens when the outside enemies gang up with their own sisters to fight you? I'm sure that's when you know that pain is real. Regret is real. Your mother will be on a wheelchair for a long time.
Now I gladly usher you, my children, Cora and Barbara, into this great lioness confraternity. I welcome your spirit, your soul, and body into this kingdom. Stretch forth your fingers. You may rise. Barbara.
Mom?
You are indeed gifted with a strong spirit. But listen, I do not want you to abuse it. Do not go looking for trouble in school. Please, it's not necessary. And remember to protect your sister at all costs. The lioness walk together.
Yes, Mom.
On no account will you be unnecessarily angry. Because if you do, you might harm somebody. And the person might not be able to recover from it. It won't be nice. So I want you to be wise.
Okay. What about me, Mom?
Your anger is unquenchable. You are just like me. I am super proud of you. Because you are. Mommy's pride. Both of you are my pride. But there is something about you. You look like me. Because I hardly forgive. I don't forgive easily. But listen, because you have a great power, doesn't mean you should go looking for trouble like I told your sister. Be as wise as serpent and as clever as dove. Don't look for trouble. Don't go boasting. Always be calm and work together wisely.
Okay, yes, Mom.
As I talk to you now, she there inside house. She don't scatter everywhere. She just there inside. They scatter everywhere. They shout. Oga, myself no fear enter that house. In fact, Oga, as a matter of fact, Oga, I don't tire. I don't want to walk again. I don't tire, sir. Oga, I don't want to walk again, Oga. Which kind of problem with this? How I go to carry cross of with no? My hand they clean. Nothing concerns me. Better say I go back to village with my life than to die for city for another man's sin. Which kind of rubbish?
Come out so I can devour you! You can't withstand me!
Oh boy, move this car now! Hello, doctor. More blood? Okay. I'm on my way now, please. Alright. Joe! Oga, open the gate.
Oga, I beg, I want to tell you.
Open the gate!
I want to tell you something, Oga, I want to resign, I beg. Give me my small salary, make I go. No, leave me my mama born. I don't want to follow you fight your family war. I don't want to follow you, Oga.
I will out of your name! Open the gate, my friend! Open it!
Oga, wait!
I went to see him.
No, you shouldn't have gone there. He is an enemy. He takes sides with your sister.
Well, he has the powers to make you stand up. He is a descendant from pride.
I'll get up.
Then why don't you get up? Get up! Hey!
You do not have the right to yell at your mom. Stop!
Well, don't look at me like I'm going to forgive her, because I'm not going to forgive her.
Her husband is the target here because he cost everything.
I do not care. I do not care. I will do everything possible to devour them, including her unborn child. I will eat them one after the other. I mean every word I just said.
It's a spiritual battle to know who's the strongest. As a lion's roar, so no one's backing down. It is a dark war, principalities and powers. Oh, it is a dark war, principalities and powers on the rampage. Who is gonna waste this fire? It's happening. The fire of rage is burning. It's a change of powers. Principalities and powers at war. It's a challenge of
Jojo!
That's my gate open.
Jojo! 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 Didn't you hear me? Jojo is gone. Jojo is gone, truly.
Spiritual battle to know who's the strongest. As a lion's roar, so no one's backing down.
Mom, please call me when you're done. Just come. I'll be waiting.
Why, Barbara? Why, Barbara? No, you didn't do well, no. Why? Come with me, angels. Come.
Mom! I knew you were up for something.
I love the look on your faces already.
Okay, Mom, please don't be mischievous. Just tell me which is mine.
This is yours, my angel.
Yes!
And that one is yours, my sweetheart.
I love you, mommy.
I love you.
She's beautiful. Mom,
You to just make me proud. For making me proud. Serving your country diligently.
Oh, thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
I am proud of you, angel.
Mom, I can't wait to cruise around town. Seriously.
I know.
You know what I can do?
Mommy's look alive. What is it, darling? Are you okay? Hold on. Why is your cheek fat? Barbara? Barbara, are you okay? Barbara, are you okay?
Mom!
Barbara! Now what's going on here? Hold on. What's the meaning of this?
Mom, I think it's just stressed out or something.
Yeah, I've just been feeling a little bit sick since yesterday.
Now look at me. Open your eyes.
What? Mom!
Are you kidding me or what?
Mom!
Come on, follow me. Have you lost your mind? Now come with me. You didn't allow it happen during your secondary school time. You didn't allow it to happen during your university era. What has come over you? And you're supposed to serve your country diligently and come out holding your heads high. Oh no! You were busy doing some other thing and it was time for me to hand over everything to you. My company, all my business empires. No, look at you. And there you are, becoming a bunch of disappointment to me. Hey! Wasn't what till I'm done. Now take a look at your sister. Is she not supposed to serve our country? No! She went there and was busy servicing a man, throwing her legs wide open for a man.
Oh, Mom, you're being too harsh.
Oh, just shut it! What has come over you? One more word from you, I will waste your life. And I don't care if you slept in this womb.
I'm sorry, but this is getting really serious.
Hold on. Are you also pregnant?
What? No, I'm not.
Then keep quiet till I'm done with her. Hey, I give you just 24 hours to present the big animal who climbed you in my jungle. Else, you will be sorry with what I will do to you and that thing sitting in your womb. Idiot.
It's a spiritual battle to know who's the strongest. As a lion's roar, so no one's backing down. It is a dark war, principalities and powers. Oh, it is a dark war, principalities and powers.
Yes, sir. You have to send the documents via my email. I'll go through them once I'm settled. Okay? And please don't forget to meet the Japanese guys, because they are expecting you today. Alright then. Speak to you later. Where is the man?
Mom, he's no longer in the community. He's traveled.
Alright, let me have his contact.
I don't have his contact. The thing is, he didn't. When I met him, he wasn't with phone.
Did you hear your sister? She's dating a classless man. A pauper. This is preposterous. Hold on. My aesthetic daughter like this, you are dating a lizard of a man. A nobody. A gutter boyfriend. You disappoint me big time, girl. Alright. Now, drive behind us. We have to go to the hospital now. You're getting rid of that thing in your womb.
Mom, I cannot abort my baby. I won't do it.
Hold on. I need you to repeat that thing you said one more time.
That, Mom.
I beg. I can't believe this. This is unbelievable.
Mom.
What are you doing?
Mom, you need to go to bed. It's already morning. Please.
I remember telling you to let me be. I want to be left alone.
Mom, I understand your pains very well. I remember when you told me I am just like you. Barbara has traded love and marriage over her own family. Mom, she knows exactly what she is doing. And she's out for anything. She's out to kill. But you know what? Barbara and her husband will pay dearly with their lives. Just allow me to do it my own way. And I promise you, Mother, you will not regret this. And I know you are going to stand up on your feet. I know that.
I still can't believe my own daughter did this to me. Just because of a man. Destroyed her mom's life. All because of a man. No, she didn't do well. She did not. This is unbelievable. I can't believe this.
Mom, you just have to calm down.
Just let me be. Let's go to bed, please. Please. I said, let me be for now.
What's going on? What?
She came to attack me.
Are you not tired? Are you not tired? What are you doing here? My wife just put to bed and you came to kill her?
Yes! I will kill you! Kill your wife and kill your baby!
Babe, let her be. I can handle this.
I will kill this girl now.
Babe, relax. You cannot kill my husband. They can't kill you, you know that. He is a descendant of a lion. He's a lion. You can't kill him.
Of course you made him a lion and he's a walking corpse. You crippled our mother and I swear that I will kill you!
Cora, you were such a lovely girl, but now you're taking it too far. One day you find someone who will love you. Leave this place now, else I will destroy you.
You cannot do anything. You're a walking corpse and I'm going to
Don't you dare talk to my husband like that!
I will destroy you!
Cora,
Silly!
the next time you invade my home, you will not have it this easy.
I swear to God, the next time your sister comes here, I will kill her. I'm not your blood, oh. Tell her.
It's a spiritual battle to know who's the strongest as a lion.
Yeah, yourself.
Mama.
Hey, why?
Mama, your son Okenna.
Man,
Your son Okenna is a ritualist.
huh? Hey!
Mama, your son Okenna belongs to a strong cultist in the city.
Okay, now, ma'am.
Yes.
A ritualist.
Mama.
Hey! So, Okenna went to the city to join secret court, eh?
I mean, if you see the way witches were flying in that house yesterday, I am even wondering, Mama, who is their tailor? Who is sewing clothes for those witches? Because I am sure that all of them is wearing more than 4 years.
Hey.
Who is their tailor? That is the painful part of it. Who is sewing clothes for witches? Mama, if you see the way they are flying, as if it's government that is sponsoring them.
Ha! Joseph, tell me you are joking.
Mama, I can't be joking now. If I'm joking, I'll be in the zoo with animals. What I'm telling you, Mama, is reality. It's not reality. I'm waiting to tell you now. Reality. Your son, Okenna, Japan, is a ritualist. Mama, for your information, let me advise you. Don't think of going for Omogo. Don't think of going for Omogo. Mama, they will sacrifice you.
I'm not going anywhere.
One step, you are sacrificed. Mama, don't even dream of going for Omogo. Mama, I came back to this village with my head because of the oil I have. I'm a very strong man. They can't use me. They struggle, they tried. Mama, but I overcome. I overcome.
Okenna, you see me. I will not come to your house. Neither will I eat your money.
Mama, don't eat or don't go. Don't eat, don't go. What? Mama, if you want to be alive and see your children's children, that Omugo. No. Forget about it. Mama? Mama, this fufu, is this all you have?
Oh, Chekwelo. So, you came here to eat food, eh?
Food, Mama.
So you bagu way them.
No, I came to give you information. So, I'm asking, is this all you have?
You are saying all these things because of food. Eh? Mama,
your son is still owing me your salary.
Let
me take it from Mama, let me take my salary from the food now. Mama, wait now.
Remove your hand.
Mama, your son is owing me. He's owing me salary. Come, let me collect it from food. Let me collect it from food now. Your son is owing me salary.
You, Joseph, stop there! Stand there, wait there! Where are you going?
Papa Christy, what is the color of your problem?
The color of my problem. The color of my problem is red. Danger. What is it I'm hearing about you? That you went about telling people that your boss is a ritualist. That you even escaped from Lagos because he wants to use you for money rituals. That's why you ran down here. Don't you see that you are mad saying all this about my nephew, my own nephew? You must be mad.
Hey, Papa Christy, if not for the respect I have for the elders that will soon join the ancestors, I would have said that you are a madman. In fact, you are a madman and you will not do anything. You will not do anything. You are a madman.
Moi?
Yes.
Boiche.
You heard me?
Mbakwe.
Yes.
Moi?
You are a madman. Rest of power too. Yes.
Let me put it to you that me, I'm not a madman. But you are a very maddest man. I was the one that told Okenna to employ you as his get man in Lagos because you have refused to be useful to yourself in the village here. Now you went to the city and still you are not useful to yourself. You escaped, you came down here and you are telling people all sorts of things about your boss. My nephew, don't you see that you are a chronic mad man?
I am only useless because I am not in your nephew's coven vomiting money. I would have been useful. But I'm only useless in the village now. But I accept to be useless in the village than to be useful in the coven. Yes!
You are not even useful. You are not money ritual. You can't vomit money. Everything about you is useless.
I said it. I said it the way you were changing walking stick. This week you use red, the other week you use brown, the other week you use black. I know that something is fishing. You took me to the city to use me as money ritual. You are your nephew. Yeah.
You must be stupid. You are a fool, monkey, nincompoop, ragamuffin, ragasta, lakosha. Fuck off! First, shut up your mouth there.
If you insult me one more time here, you know you are one leg close to your grave. You are one leg close to your grave. If you insult me here now, what I will do to you, you hate yourself. If you talk to me anyhow one more time now, you are one step to your grave.
Me?
You are one step to your grave. Oh.
Me?
I will send you.
Me?
You are one step to your grave. Oh.
Me?
You are one step to your grave. I will send you to grave.
You want me to kill you?
I will send you to grave.
You want me to kill you?
You want me to kill you?
Okenna.
Mama.
So you have vowed that you will not leave this your painting and drawing business and go to the city like other men and hustle.
Mama, is this why you called me out? I've told you I don't want to discuss this. This is not an issue I want to always discuss every day. Now.
Hey. For the past 3 months, no one has even asked you how much is the portrait or how beautiful they are. Since you graduated from school, you refuse to go to the city and look for a good job. You refuse to go and hustle like other men. Just drawing cats, animals, human beings, trees and painting them. Just like your late father did. Do you want to continue from where he stopped?
You cannot kill my spirit, Mama. I am an artist and I'm a very good one at that. I will continue to paint and sell. In fact, I'm going to take my portraits out there on the road to sell today. If nobody buys it, I will bring them back home. Echikwa, tomorrow, I will take them out again.
Hey!
You cannot discourage me no matter what you said. Okay?
Hey!
No matter what you say today, you cannot stop me. Let me go and take my paintings and go and sell. Hapumaka.
Okay, now because you should change this your business. Look at you, moving like a lion. painting and drawing. No food, no good job, nothing. It's your cantona fucking na. Hey!
What do I do? Oh God, oh God, oh God. Ooh. Oh, good day, sir.
Papa,
Sir.
it's like your car has issues.
Yes, I was going to my CDS, at the local government, and all of a sudden the car just stopped me here, and I don't
Oh my
know
God,
what to do. Do you
so
by chance know any mechanic I could just get to fix it?
There's a mechanic workshop around, but it's around that local government where you said you are going, and it's far.
Oh my God.
Do you mind if I take a look at the car?
Oh please, thank you. Feel
Okay,
free.
all
Thank
right.
you so much.
No
Thank
problem,
you.
eh?
Thank you.
Madam, here is okay, Papa.
Oh, really?
Drop here, yes, fine.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I truly appreciate it. I see you're an artist.
Oh, yes, I am.
Can you draw me?
Very well now. That's my work. Yes.
Okay, let me have your contact so I can at least forward.
I lost my phone yesterday. I don't have a phone now at the moment. But what will happen is this. My house is not far from here. You see that road we just left?
Yes.
By the huge orange tree.
Yes.
Yes, that's my house. When you go there, ask of the Okoyes.
Okay.
Yes, when you get to the Okoyes, ask of Mama okay.
Okay.
I am okay now or okay.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
I will, by weekend, I'll come.
Please
I'm
come
sorry
home.
about your phone.
Oh, no, don't worry. It's fine.
All right.
I'm glad I could be of help.
Thank you so much.
All
You
right.
really saved me a lot of
Thank you so
trouble.
much. Wait, let me take my...
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Okay, are you almost done?
Yes, almost done.
Can I take a peek?
No, not till it's
Oh,
done.
let me see what you're doing.
No, now.
Oh.
What's the point? Seeing what you will still see.
Oh, okay.
Hang on, let
Fine.
me do all the finishing.
Hope you highlighted my eyes.
Obviously.
Okay, now. I am done cooking.
Okay, Mama.
Let me go to Mama Ekene's house. She wants to show me so many things her son sent for her from Lagos.
Okay, Mama, no problem.
Oh, you got that answer, dear. Man, Torika, Mabada.
Let
me go.
All right,
Hey,
Mama.
Well done.
Thank you, Mama.
Darling.
Thank you, Mama.
Sorry. Yeah, that way, yeah. Okay. Jawline.
Almost done?
Yes, almost done.
Please let me just take a peek. No! In case I need to help you correct it or something.
Don't worry. I'm looking at you and I'm looking at the portrait. We are
Okay,
almost
please.
perfect. Madam, look at this one. Look at the color selection now. I have beautiful portraits here. Look at it. See the other one.
My goodness. Let me see yours.
See African maiden.
Are you kidding me? These portraits are lovely.
Thank you.
How much, please?
This one is 25,000. This one is 50,000 naira, madam.
25 and 50.
Yes, madam.
I want 2 of them.
You want 2 of them?
Yes,
Okay.
which means I'm giving you 75,000.
Yes, madam. 75,000.
Hold on. Can you make a portrait of me?
That's my job. I'm an artist. I can do it, ma.
For real?
Yes, madam.
That's amazing. Put them in the car.
Okay, madam.
Put them in the car.
He told me someone invited him to town for a business and he left earlier this morning.
It's okay, Mama. Has he gotten a new phone?
No. He told me you paid him hugely for the work he did for you.
Come on, that's nothing.
Thank you very much.
It's okay. It's okay. It's fine.
Why don't you sit down? Let me warm the meal for you so that you eat before going.
No, Mama. You know what? Let's keep it till next time. I promise I'll eat a meal next time I get here.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's a promise.
Okay.
I'll be on my way now.
It's all right. I'll give him your message.
Thank you, Mama.
Hi.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye, Mama.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Ma.
Hi. Malichangwa. Hi.
I like you.
You like me or you want me as a sex toy? Listen, you don't just see people one day and then want them in your bed the next day. I feel used. No, this is not a smiling matter. What's funny?
Yes. I enjoyed the sex. Well, my dear, there is something inside of you. You can't be trapped.
I don't understand. What is that? What are you talking about? Listen, ma, I don't know you. I don't know who you are. We only just met once. And I'm not going to get involved in any occultic thing or ritual.
You have to meet me today and satisfy my need.
What?
I am assuring you, you will not just draw people, but you will draw money. I mean, you will pull money to your end. What if I send you to Japan?
Madam, what are you talking about? You don't even know who I am. We only just met and the next thing you're planning to send me to Japan. Is that how people do things?
Leave that to me. I don't need to know your modern deeds. Just go. Think about it. Come back tomorrow.
To Japan. Can this be real? Is it that God wants to make me wealthy through this means? But how can somebody just meet you today and the next day they want to fly you to Asia? Papa. Papa.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
You are welcome.
Thank you. Good day.
Good day. How are you?
I'm okay. I was here earlier.
Oh, really?
Where's your mother?
She went to the market. She sells Sogo at the market.
Oh, that's true. You told me.
Remember I told you.
Yes, you did tell me. That's fine. Do you have a room?
Huh? Sorry, is there a problem?
No, it's just that I'm a bit tired and I would like to lay my head. You have a bed, right?
Of course I do.
So, shall we?
Okay. Why not? You're welcome.
Thank you.
You've made up your mind, right?
Yes. What job do you have for me in Japan?
Gosh, I love this man. Okay. I would want you to provide me with some of your traveling documents, okay? So I can facilitate, everything for you to travel to Japan. And when you go, I will be expecting you, let's say in 2, 3 to 4 months.
Thank you so much, ma. I will make them available. Thank you, ma.
Cut down the amount, please.
Okay. Thank you, lady. Thank you, Lady Gold.
You mentioned to me that he'll be traveling.
He only told me that he'll be back in 3 months' time.
Did he tell you? Did he tell you where he'll be traveling to?
My daughter, I don't even care to know where he has gone to. All I ever wanted from him is to get out of this town for good.
Mama, did he later get the new phone?
No, I didn't see him with any phone.
How then will he communicate with you?
Hey, he promised to call me. I believe him, though he hasn't called, but he will call me. He will. I trust my son.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. I'll just...
Please. Are you his girlfriend? Because he has not introduced any woman to me as his girlfriend.
We're friends.
Yes, friends.
Mama, I've been here for a while. I checked around and it seems like no one is in. Do you have an idea?
Yes, Mama traveled. She went for Mugo. Her only daughter put to bed.
Wow. That's okay. How about Okena? Have you seen him?
No. For the past 3 months, I haven't set my eyes on him. But rumor had it that he went to Japan.
Japan?
Yeah. But I'm not sure like that too. I'm not sure.
Okay, that's fine. Can you at least give me Mama's phone number or any person I can speak with, at least to know what to do next, please?
Mama, I'm not with Mama's number. Why will I be with her number? Mama, I don't see if I can take her number now. Only Mama.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Japan.
Thank you, Lady Gold.
You're welcome.
Without you, I wouldn't have been who I am today. Thank you.
Listen, I am proud of you. Super proud of you. Look at what you've made for yourself. The house, the cats. Just take a look at your office. You are indeed a strong man. I am proud of you.
Thank you very much.
You were never greedy.
Yes, Lady Gold. I'm a lion. I'm not greedy.
You were not at all. Believe me.
Thank you. Cheers once again.
Cheers, please. Eh? Well, I would like us to get married. You know, I've always loved you. Imagine you and I running this empire together. Strong man, filled with wisdom, and the lioness herself. Cheers, darling.
Cheers.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, just make yourself comfortable. I'll just call my mom. She already told us you were coming.
Oh, that's all right. Tell her around.
Oh, okay.
Hey!
Sir.
No. No. Please.
What? Okay now. You! How dare you? You got my daughter pregnant.
I didn't know.
You didn't know! Didn't you look at her face? Didn't you?
Mom, this is the father of my unborn child. You cannot hurt him. Please, for my sake. I am begging you, please.
I shouldn't harm him. Did you not know that this person here belongs to me? I made you who you are. I brought you out of poverty. And you became like this. So this is how to pay me back.
Mom, I will not let you hurt him.
Of course you will pay with your life. I mean every word.
I will not let you hurt
Barbara,
him.
can you just allow Mom to explain?
Hey! Did you say you will not allow me hurt him?
Mom, don't. Mom, don't.
Never!
Stay back. Do not let me hurt you. Papa, you have to stay away from this. You hurt my mother, right? Okay. Barbara, you have to be safe because he hurt our mother.
I will never do this. I will never.
No, it's okay.
I will never.
No, please.
No, you will not understand. He means the whole world to me.
I thought
Just relax.
You would have thought she would. Good, see, wait.
Oh, wait.
Mom! Listen, forgive me. I know this is not your fault. It's not my fault either, and I guess things just happened. But my mother wanted me to abort our child. I had to fight my way out of it.
hoping that someday I was going to see you.
Sorry about that. It is true your mother made me who I am today. But how was I to know you were related to her? There is no day that passes by that I did not think of you while I was in there. I kept thinking about you all the time. I never even knew you took in for me.
Why were you thinking about me?
Because I have you in my mind all the time. I think of you every now and then. Honestly, I wanted to make you my wife before your mother proposed that I got married to her.
Then the battle line is drawn. I shall get you ready for the fight ahead.
How are you going to do that? You know your mother is powerful.
I will make you a lion. You will drink their blood and eat their meat. This fight is for us, for our future.
It's a spiritual battle to know who's the strongest as a lion's roar.
Just like the fetus, I hide you from the eyes of your enemies. Drink. Now that you have taken the blood of the lion, you are now a lion yourself. Nothing and no one shall take you down. Rise, for you are now strong. Rise!
You're welcome to the family.
Thank you, sir. I'm honored.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Barbara.
Chief.
I must say that I'm proud of you. Your late father, my best friend, I know wherever he is today, we'll be proud of you.
Thank you, Chief.
For resisting the pressures from your mother and from your sister, for keeping this pregnancy for him, and above all, for standing tall in issues like this. I must say I'm proud of you.
Thank you so much, Chief.
Thank you, sir.
I will support your marriage. Let me know whatever you need for the marriage to be grand.
Thank you so much.
God bless you, sir. Thank you so much.
We're grateful.
We're really grateful, sir.
Sir, the boat is ready.
All right. I'll join you shortly.
Okay, sir. Sir, should I cancel the appointment with Great Sun Oils?
Oh, that reminds me. Please do make their files available to me. I want to go through them before the meeting. And yes, cancel the appointment for today. We'll reschedule.
Okay, sir.
All right.
It's a spiritual battle to know who's the strongest as a lion's roar. So no one's backing down. It is a dark war. Principalities and powers. Oh, it is a dark war. Principalities and powers.
Woman, what are you saying? Don't tell me you have never supported your son for once in anything. Huh?
Please, Nna Mbakwe. Don't come here and tell me what you do not know. I single-handedly trained Okenna and his sister in the university. What are you telling me? Did you contribute anything? Did you buy even a pen or book for them? What are you saying? Did you? Answer me. No, you didn't.
All I know is that you must go for that Omugo. You will not sit down here and accept that your son that we're about to give Chief Stancy title that is meant for him is a ritualist. Which kind of a mother are you? Yeah?
Nai, going to Omugo, is it by force? I say that I am not going. You see this my two legs? I'm not going to Okenna's house. Because I do not know the source of his money. He only made his money, came back, collected title from you people. You evil men. You gave him Agune Chamber. Lion. So he's not a lion. Is lion a title? Enai. Zamia.
We evil men, eh?
Yes.
So you don't know what Agune Chobodo means? You don't know.
Which Agune Chobodo? Now tell me, which kingdom is he protecting? So my son is now a lion because he has made it. Because he's now rich. Okay? You evil men, whenever you want to kill an innocent dog, you start calling him dangerous names. Agune Chobodo, please, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Go to your house now. I did not invite you to my house this evening.
Woman, we evil men, okay?
Yes, that is what you are.
Okay. As the head of this family, I decree and declare that Okenna is not a ritualist. You see, and nobody can stop him from accepting that title. Not even you can stop him. Not that idiot, Joseph. He cannot stop him. Let him go about spreading fake rumors. It doesn't concern us. Okenna is already a titled man.
Nna Mbakwe, start going to your house, please. Go and rest. Leave me alone, you evil men.
You surprise me, honestly. How can you go about the village telling everyone that your boss is a ritualist? Huh?
Where is the lie? I said, where is the lie? Did I lie? No. The man you are talking about is my Oga. I am his PA, personal assistant. So I know him in and out. I know everything about him. So I don't know why everybody is blaming me. I went, I saw, and I conquer. I conquer. My name, my actual name is supposed to be Conqueror. Instead of you to be happy that your boyfriend came back to this village alive. Look at me. I came alive. Many went. They did not return.
I should be happy. No. I should be happy that you came back alive with nothing to show for it. Absolutely nothing. Not even a common bread.
You see your problem? Huh? You see your problem? Your problem is bread. Your problem, go to city and see what other girls are demanding. iPhone 17 Pro Max. Bone straight. Your problem, you are even the reason why I came back to this village with nothing. Had it been you are raising my morale, I can never come back to, come to worst, I'll come back with SR. iPhone SR. But your problem is bread of 20 naira or 30 naira. That's your problem. Lift my morale. Upgrade your ambition. Really? Upgrade your ambition. Stop talking about bread. See, let me tell you.
I am totally disappointed in you. I'm telling you, I am seriously disappointed in you. Even if your boss is an occultic man, are you supposed to tell everybody? You even told Larry and DK. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not a man? You're behaving like a parrot, cho everywhere. You have nothing. Look, take a good look at yourself.
I am not saying cho. What I'm singing is song of testimony.
Really?
I came back with my life. But
see.
Why are you even diverting what we are discussing?
No,
before?
I can see. You came back with your life. This is your life.
Amaka, let's go to my house first.
Thunder fire you there. Let's go to Wiz house. Your house. And do what? Keep dreaming. in your widest imagination. Dream on!
Amaka?
Please.
Amaka? Amaka?
I know you have come to find out if it's true. Of course it's true. My daughter used her powers against me and made me cripple. And I'm certain you were pleased with it, huh?
Golden. On the contrary, you're wrong. I came to see you. I came to let you know that Barbara and her husband are very, very formidable.
Oh, please. Don't be a snake, Chief Doko. We all know you support them. My late father, your best friend, will be so furious at you right now.
Cora. There's so much you do not know. I'd like to speak with your mother alone.
It's a spiritual battle to know who's the strongest as a lion's war. So no one's backing down. It is a dark war. Principalities and powers. Oh, it is a dark war. Principalities and powers.
You look like shit.
I know. The very shit you killed her husband for.
Stop insinuating nonsense. The lion was weak and could no longer satisfy you in bed. Instead of you to chase him out of the land, you killed him. You killed your own husband so you could get me into the land. How long shall we continue to dwell on this? 15 years down the line. Still counting. Stop haunting and haunting Barbara and her husband.
You know me too well. I would never stop hunting them. Now you listen. Enough of all this. Try and do something. Please. Be helpful here. I need to be on my feet again. Do you really like the way I am sitting on this wheelchair? Please, you gotta do something. I need your help.
If you ever want to walk with your feet again, stop haunting them. Stop haunting them.
Everybody get down!
Lady Gold, you're daring me. You're really, really daring me. I will not warn you again. The next time you play this game with me, the next time you send these things after me, you will not find it funny.
Get out of here, you filth bodyguard. I said get out! Can you imagine? My goodness. Mom, you never give up. I am with you in this. You will get up and we will fight with the last drop of our blood. I promise you.
He gave me a condition.
Forget about the condition. All I know is that he will help you get up. And as for Okenna, he is going to pay with his blood, whether he likes it or not. God.
I will make sure I take everything from him. And I will return him to the dust where he came from.
Of course I know what you can do. I know very well. You're going to be fine.
Get up. Get up! Get into the car.
Let us spiritual battle to know who's the strongest as a lion's roar. So no one's backing down. It is a dark war. Principalities and powers.
Oh, Cora. That's very good. Good you're here.
I accept.
I have always known that you love your mother so much. But Barbara loves her even more.
Chief Doko, I am not here for words. I am here for my mother.
Okenna, name I can go again. I've said it that I'm not coming to your house for that omugo. Yes, I will not come to your house or eat your money, anything that comes from your hand, until you come down here to the village and explain yourself that you don't belong to any occult kingdom. Yes, the rumor has been going everywhere that you are not occult. Come and clear yourself before I come to your house. You must come. I am not coming, Okenna. I'm not coming. Leave me alone. Nonsense. Bye-bye.
Alright. I'll just let them know that. No, come back. Don't worry. Alright.
I know. What happened?
Mama says she's not coming for the omugo again. No?
What? But I thought this is what she wanted. Why is she saying no?
Jojo went to the village and told them that you and I have become cultists. And they have refused to come for omugo. Now the others are summoning me for a meeting.
You know what? That's fine. There's no problem with our solution. This is what we'll do. If Mama's refused to come for Mugo, let's just hire a midwife. What do you think?
Fine, that's what we'll do.
Perfect.
We'll get a midwife. Because I cannot get this Onyekwana above me again. Who is this? Hello, uncle. I said I'm still interested now. When did I tell you I'm not interested again? I don't want to discuss Mama. I do not hate my mother. I just don't want to discuss her now. That's what I said, uncle. How can she believe a thing like that I'm a cultist? Jojo will come to my Yagana village and tell you that I'm a cultist and you will believe it. Who does that kind of a thing? Do you know what I've seen in this life? Do you know what I went through in Japan, the hurdles I crossed? And you're now telling me that I'm coming back. I will clear my name, uncle. I am coming back to that village. Don't worry. All right. Bye-bye.
Honey, you don't have to overexert yourself. I understand the need for you to clear your name, but it's not enough to get you worked up, please.
I'm fine. I just want to clear my name. I'm fine.
Understandably. Anyway, the baby is crying. Let me go breastfeed him.
Please.
Your baby is killing me slowly.
Please. Feeling well. Joseph in our village. Chineke got that boy up. Let me get to that village.
Honey, I can see your boy.
It's okay. I'm fine. Fine.
Huh? My friend. The way you're tackling your nephew about this matter, it's not good though. Joseph may be right by telling you what he saw. That he sees something and you are there trying to...
Shut up! Shut up your mouth! Shut up! Ichie Kalu, yes. My nephew that I know is not a ritualist. Is not an occultic man.
Welcome, Sean. You just shut up. Eh? Shut up your mouth. How dare you tell me shut up my mouth? Eh? Who are you? Okay. Now I remember. So because of the money you are getting from him, that's why you don't want to see the truth, Abi? Hey! Now I know. Old fool. Old Anoya.
Moi.
That's why you are pretending.
Moi.
You are a very stupid man.
Moi.
You are a very stupid man.
You are Ichie Kalu.
Nonsense.
If not for anything, I will beat you now. I will beat you. I will beat you. I will beat you.
This is a new covenant. You must let go of your daughter and her husband if you want these legs to walk again. And you must stop hunting your elder sister Barbara. Have you heard me?
Yes.
Goring, did you hear me?
Yes.
Now that we have all agreed, we shall drink from the blood of the covenant.
Imure! Imure! Imure!
Drink from it! Gordon! Arise! Arise and walk. Gordon, arise! Arise! Arise!
Mommy! Mom! Please. Mommy. Oh, Mommy, please.
Oh, you're strong.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Dugo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bastard. Idiots.
Did you think you did the right thing?
We had a deal. He gave me conditions to sleep with him before he could make you walk again. That's why I got upset and I had to kill him. Chief Doko, you want to sleep with me before you help my mother, right?
Yes. Since you're ready to do anything for your mother to stand on her feet again.
But you told her to stop fighting.
I know your mother so well. She will never give up.
What if I make her give up? We are ready to drink the blood in your temple as an agreement.
Cora, I want you in my bed. That's if you want your mother to walk again.
Chief Doko, I hope you're not making a huge mistake.
Wow. I was hot. I didn't know you're this sweet. Well, I want us to do this often. I don't mind paying for it. Okay? Don't worry, your mother will be okay. Hmm? Can I make a suggestion? Can we just have one more before we go?
Of course, I made him weak in the realm, so I could kill him easily. He tested my body, not knowing he is testing his debts.
You did well then. I'm super proud of you. You are indeed my look-alike. Young tigress herself. Come here.
It's a spiritual battle to know who's the strongest as a lion's roar. So no one's backing down. It is a dark war. Principalities and powers. Oh, it is a dark war. Principalities and powers on the rampage. Who is gonna face this fire? It's happening. The fire of rage is burning. It's a challenge of powers.
Good night, Mom.
Principalities and powers at war. It's a challenge of powers.
Why all this Jacaranda? Eh? This is not fair. Why all this
What is
Jacaranda
it?
now? This is not fair now.
What is it? If actually you have sense, you should have known by now that I'm not interested in you.
Eh?
Yes, I am not interested in you and I will never be because you amount to nothing.
Amaka, I amount to nothing because of you. Eh? When I went to the city, I focused on my life just to come back alive for you. Eh? I forgot about material things, Amaka. I am alive for you. Please, Amaka, don't do this to me. Eh? You are my girl now. Don't do this to me, please. Eh? Is that the reason you refuse to come to my house, Amaka?
Which house? No, tell me, which house? Your house or your father's house? You should be ashamed of yourself. They pushed you into a goat house, but no, you decided to return back to this village and be gossiping here and there. Cho. Are you not a man? You should be ashamed of yourself. Yeah. See, listen, Joseph, if I ever in my life see you close to me again, I will so deal with you. I will deal with you and you will regret. Even you can't even recognize yourself in front of the mirror. Imagine. You are saying that you are his PA, you are his PA. Which PA? Common gate man like you, Kobo gate man. You are claiming to be a PA.
Is gate man in the village, in the city, is GM. I even brought my level down as to tell you that I'm PA. In the city, I am a GM, general manager.
Oh,
yes.
General manager of Manning Gates. No, now you are general manager of Manning Gates. In the city. Fool. Look at you. Just see the nonsense rope you carried on your waist. Just try it.
My life is miserable because of you.
Miserable.
My life is miserable, Amaka, because of you. Amaka, I came back alive because of you. I amount to nothing because of you. If not, I would have allowed my Oga to sacrifice me in their coven. Amaka, don't do this to me. I came back because of you, Amaka. Hey. How do I explain this? How do I explain? The major reason I came back to this village is leaving me.
But Jojo, why could you? Eh? Why could you?
See, I don't know why everybody in this village is blaming me. I saw, and I conquered. Is it because I came back alive? Everybody is blaming me. I went there, I saw, and I conquered. I came back alive. You people are blaming me. If not for one thing, My name is supposed to be Conqueror in this village because I went, I saw, and I conquered and came back alive.
Look at your mouth. Just speaking rubbish. What is wrong with you? Stop spreading rumors about your former boss. What is wrong with you?
Mr. Man, whether you like it or not, my ex-boss, OK Japan, is a ritualist. Yes. My ex-boss, OK Japan, is a ritualist, whether you like it or not.
Jojo! What is wrong with you? Why is spitting this nonsense from your mouth? See, you are about to lose your girlfriend, Emeka. Better give yourself sense. What is wrong with you now?
See, let me tell you something. That's the only problem I'm having right now. I called you to help me talk to my woman, Amaka, my girlfriend, because I don't want to lose her.
Oh, you don't want to lose her? And you go about spitting rubbish. See, I swear to God, the day you go talk this kind of thing near me again, I go woozy with that slap.
The problem in this life, my problem, I know my problem. My problem is not what I'm saying. No. My problem is poverty. If not that I am poor, nobody in this village believes me because I am poor. Yes, but my happiness is a poor alive man is better than a rich dead man. Yes, I am happy that I came back to this village with my life because I know what I saw there. I went, I saw, and I conquered. In actual sense, my name is supposed to be Conqueror.
See, Joe, you're my friend. For real, I don't like what you're saying. Stop spreading rumors about your former boss. Just stop it. I don't like it.
Mr. Man, are you helping me to talk to my girl?
I'm not helping you.
Now what for you? Talk to my girl now. Talk to my girl, for my woman, for me, please.
Thank you so much for the gifts and for the ride. I'm really grateful.
You know we can do this some other time, right?
Yeah, I would have loved to, but you know, I live with my parents. It might be somehow difficult, but I'll try.
Yeah, I understand, Sha. I understand, but it's not really, you know, it's not really a big deal. You can always text me. You have my number. You can always call me anytime. Anytime you feel like hanging out, just let me know.
Okay. Thank you so
enjoy
much.
yourself, right?
Of course. Thank you.
Bye,
Have a
bye.
nice day.
You too. Take care.
Okay.
Maka, freeze! Come on, freeze! Freeze, stop there!
Hey, what is your problem?
See.
Joseph, what is your problem?
Maka, I saw everything.
Uh-huh.
I saw everything. I saw everything. Who is that fool? That vagabond? That idiot that dropped you in that junction? Who is that guy?
Joseph, what is your problem? Eh? What is the color of your problem? Can't I have friends anymore?
Hey,
but I told you I'm no longer dating you.
My
you
head
want to
don't
come
burst.
and ruin my beautiful moments.
That guy, a friend, Amaka. My head don't burst. See,
Your
Amaka,
head
let me
will
tell you
burst.
something. Let me tell you something. I was in the city struggling, hustling, taking care of you. I was buying everything from head to toe down to your sanitary pad. That was him. Nobody came. You became an orphan all of a sudden. Now you came down from 330. That is the reason why you said I'm a man to nothing. Because now you are a man to pink bag, Amaka. Amaka, no! You're not going anywhere. We die in this relationship, Amaka.
Listen to me, Joseph Okoro. I don't owe you any explanation as to who comes into my life and goes out. If you don't stop stalking me, I will report you to my father.
Oh, I am shaking. Joseph, I am shaking. I want to die. Where was your father when I was taking care of you?
Okay.
I bought you your phone with my first salary. Where was him? Then you were an orphan. All of a sudden, I had no money right now.
You came back, you want to know that you have a father. Amaka, you lied.
Keep ranting.
Amaka, you lied.
Keep ranting.
Amaka, you lied.
You can't do anything. You are powerless. You are so powerless. Just take a good look at yourself. Look at your clothes. Eh? See, if you dare me, I will deal with you. My father will deal with you. Everybody will deal with you.
Amaka,
don't go and look for me.
I swear with my life. I swear with my life. If I see any girl, I'm not talking of man. If I see any girl,
what will you do?
Lesbianism is too much in this village. If I see any girl close to you again in this village, not talk of man, Amaka. I swear, Mamba, your father will not see your kakas to bury.
Okay. Now.
Your father will not see your kakas.
Bring it on.
That your so-called father will not see your kakas to bury.
Bring it on.
I was hustling in the village. Okay. I was hustling in the city.
Okay.
Giving you everything, down to your sanitary pad. Now you want to dump me.
Don't worry.
You want to dump me? Never.
Don't worry.
Never, Amaka.
You are playing with me. You don't know who I am. I will deal with you. You see, you Joseph, you will rot in jail. You say this is your small life and this is your nonsense clothes. Eh? They will dig pit and bury you inside. Just try me. You don't know who you are joking with.
Amaka, you bet me.
You are a fool. Don't go
Amaka,
and make money. Don't go and make money.
Amaka, I'm not seeing you again. No. What I'm seeing is your kakas.
Me, I'm seeing
Amaka,
your
what
dead
I'm seeing your kakas.
I am seeing your dead body.
Amaka, I'm not seeing you again. No. The leg you are bringing, what I'm seeing now is your kakas, Amaka. Your father will not see your kakas to bury. You have the gut, the infantry, the impetus to bet with me, Amaka. Me, Joseph. Joseph in the Bible is a carpenter. I don't know who I am. I'm not a carpenter. Amaka, you had the gut to bet with me. Amaka, your father. In fact, Amaka, Amaka.
Where is your boss?
You travel, ma, please. Please, ma, please don't kill me, please.
Pass this message to him. Tell him the great lioness visited.
Yes, ma.
Tell him I can walk. I can run. I can even fly with my legs.
Yes, ma, I'll tell him that. Please don't kill me, ma, please. Mom! Stop it! Stop it, Mom! I can feel your presence.
You made Okenna a lion. How dare you? You broke the rule. You broke my spine. You broke my heart. How do you sleep well at night knowing full well that Okenna had multiple...
Mom, it was just a coincidence! You know it was a coincidence, Mom. I never planned for it to happen. Mom, you and I know that you do not love Okenna. I agree. You connected him to your associates abroad. You made him wealthy. But this is enough. Can't you see what this is doing to us? It is tearing us apart. Mom, please, end this animosity between us. Mom, I am begging you. Because of what, Mom? A man? You want to kill your first grandchild, Mother? Your first grandchild! You need to stop this. Stop this, Mother, right now.
Cora killed Chief Duko. And all this happened because of you. I disown you today. And I will stop at nothing to make sure I pull you down.
Away with you, Mother! Leave us alone! Oh, my baby. Oh, my God, I'm so sorry. Sorry, Mommy yelled. Sorry. Yeah, baby. I'm sorry. Oh, my love. Sorry. Who made you angry? Grandma made you angry. I am super sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Don't worry.
He told us that you're a ritualist. that you and your wife are occultic people.
More.
Yes.
Wait, Nai, so you people invited me here to lie against me?
Joseph.
Nai, so you people lied against and before me, after and before me, Nai, you people summoned me here to lie against me? That me, Joseph, open my book cavity to say that this man here, this my Oga here, is a ritualist. That this my Oga that I'm looking at now is a ritualist. My Oga that is almost an angel. The only difference between me, my Oga, and angels is just feathers and white gown. My Oga is, are you not seeing him? How will you say that this man, this fine man, this handsome man, is an occultic man? How possible would that be? Are you people blind?
Joseph.
Are you people blind?
Joseph.
They said in the Bible that in Psalm 91 that 10,000 will fall around you and none of them is going to harm you. Talk about the 4 of you. 4 of you will fall around me, but none of you is going to harm me.
Shut up, Joseph!
You people are lying against me and before me.
Are you mad? Joseph. Are you in sin? Or when I'm making this? Or are you afraid of your former boss? See, I want to make it clear to you that we are here. Stand on your leg, Gidigba. Speak the truth. Don't be afraid of him. Oh, when how you make it by neighbor?
Nah, I am standing on my leg, Gidigba. I am standing on my leg, tatata, to tell you that this man is not and can never be a ritualist. This man is almost an angel. This is a man I lived with. I can vouch for him. This man is never a rich. Forget about the staff he's holding that is like a dragon. This staff is not from any coven. It's ordinary staff. Mama, you can touch it. It doesn't have any power. This is a man I can vouch for. I know this man very well. Look at him now with the red cap. How will you say that a handsome man like this is a ritualist? It's like your people's brain is having diminishing return. No? You know, these white hairs come with a lot of things.
Joseph.
Your brain is having diminishing return. It's going back to ancestors. So.
Hey! Joseph, come on. Do you want to deny what you said to my face?
Okay.
Some days ago. Eh? Hey!
He said he didn't say so.
No, Kulia.
But he just denied it.
My elders, I don't want us to prolong this talk. I'm not here to banter words with this moron.
Thank you.
The reason I'm here is for us to put heads together and finalize my chieftaincy title-taking arrangement.
That's just it.
My Oga here, I know that my Oga can never support you people. No matter how you people lied against him. He will never. You are here, he called me a moron. Can he call you a moron? Can you be a moron? Can you be a moron? It's not about red cap. Can you be a moron? Do you know the meaning of moron?
Hey.
You people are lying against me. When I'm still alive.
Please. I'm going to break. Okay. We cannot sit here, watch you charm this young man to speak on your favor. I am a mayor. But I want to make it clear to you that chieftaincy, he will not get it until you clear your name. Yes. Yes, you can continue answering your okay Japan until further notice. For that title, forget about it for now.
I will not get the chieftaincy title.
Yes. You can continue with your okay Japan or whatever.
That I charmed this Efulefu.
Hey.
This boy, he's very sick. Very, very sick. He's a madman. And you have joined. The 3 of you, you are all madmen put together. Madman. Next time, you just mention that Igwe will not give him any title. I will use this to break your head. Let me destroy him. Let me destroy him. You are entitled, Baba. Go and take your drink. Go and take your drink. Go and take your drink.
He was all over the place in this village, telling anyone that cares to listen that you and your wife belongs to a secret cause.
Mama, I've told you I don't belong to any secret cause. Why are we making this an issue?
It is an issue, and you know what I'm saying.
Wait, Mama. Would you accept what Jojo told you over what your son is saying?
I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know. Hey, if you don't know, you keep quiet. It's enough. Me, I will make sure that you get that title. And nothing will stop us. You will get it. I believe you die. You are not a cultist.
You will swear for them, oh. You will swear. It's not only an allegation. Okay, now, you just traveled out of the continent. Only for you to come back. Just in 3 months' time. Not even up to a year. Like this. A wealthy man. Look at you. Driving big cars. Look at you, Kenna. And you are not telling me that you are doing business with Japanese, China people. Listen, Kenna. I don't know what you are doing, no. I'm not coming here in a I want a business in a Kenna.
Woman, be quiet.
So you tell me what you're doing.
Quiet! What is it, Nai? Quiet!
All you need is money, money. That is all you need. Meanwhile, let me go and bring food for you.
See the way she's talking.
Ego.
No miracle again. Is there anything God cannot do?
Don't listen to him.
Is there anything God cannot do? Look at her. Look at her. See me. Don't mind her. Me. I believe in you. And I know you are not a ritualist. Don't mind her. Let them say. Okay, now my nephew. Please tell me. How did you make your money?
Jojo, you're very stupid. In short, you're a coward. No, I know you're a coward right from time, but I never knew it has gotten to this level.
You don't say what is your problem. Calm down now. What is your problem? Calm down, Mr. Man. Calm down. What is your problem?
My father told me that you denied all those rubbish you've been saying about Japan. The moment you saw Japan, you denied everything.
To be alive, oh. Just to be alive to see my children's children. See, that was a trap. When I got there, I saw the trap. I had to jump. What I did there was jump and pass. I went, I saw, and I conquered again, as usual. Yes, that was a trap. I need to deny to be alive. If not, by now, they would have sacrificed me in their coven. You don't know what happened there. I know what I did. For my life. I'm alive.
I wonder where I met you from. I don't even know as in, what brought the closeness between me and you.
See, let me tell you. I denied what I said before for 2 reasons.
And what are the reasons?
To be alive, to come back to my Amaka. To be alive and start enjoying my Amaka. It's as simple as that.
Now let me break this news to you. That same Amaka that you want to be alive for is no longer yours. How? Amaka has a new man now. Are you serious? No, keep go about saying rubbish. Go about misbehaving.
Wait, now be serious for once now. Are you serious?
Am I joking? Does it look like I'm joking?
But I have denied what I said now. I have denied everything I said. Please, we need to do something about this thing.
You and who?
We need to... I can't lose Amaka for any reason.
You have only lost her, my friend. You have lost her with all this rubbish you've been doing. Do you know what? I'm wasting myself talking to you. You're so useless. I've already got your useless. No, go about to keep saying rubbish. Tell everybody why you're trying it.
That was how I made my money, Uncle. I did not do any rituals. Neither did I join any secret cult. I only protected myself from evil people. They are everywhere, lurking around, seeking to harm me. I have enemies. They are envious of my success, and I went to protect myself. Is that a bad thing?
At all, no. The evil people, they go about seeking the person they will devour. So you have to guard yourself.
Does that mean I'm a ritualist?
How? You see... Okay, now, calm down. You are not. I understand you very, very well. Everything you have said, I understood. I know what you are passing through. Don't mind them.
Thank you.
They are only jealous enemies of progress. We know them. So, you know what we will do now? We will buy, you'll find money, like 200,000. We'll use it and buy ram for Igwe.
I think a ram would be too small a thing to give to the Igwe. We'd rather get a cow.
A cow is better, eh?
Yes.
Okay, now what are we waiting for? Right. Let's just go and do it.
So, do you enjoy it?
Yeah. You know, I've always enjoyed every moment with you.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Cora, how dare you barge into my privacy?
You're a fool! How dare you insult my mother? How dare you challenge her? Huh? You insulted her like a child. But I told you to watch your back. You took my words for granted, right? And you are here enjoying yourself with a man, right? While I walked my ass out to make sure I bring you down. But I am ready and I am happy that I have achieved my goal.
Cora, please put that thing away. You know that cannot hurt me. So now leave before I hurt you.
Babe, what's going on?
Calm down, stay out of this. I'm going to handle it.
You are going to handle it? Oh no. You are making a fool of yourself. What? Huh.
Babe. What's going on here?
It's okay. Cora, just leave already.
Oh. Okay. You will understand why I actually came here. Because I came prepared, bitch.
What's that? Cora, what are you doing?
Hey. Babe. Babe.
Hey!
Hey, Auntie. I beg. I'm not a rich man. I'm not a rich man. Hey, I'm sorry. I'm the only son of my mother. Please.
It's a spiritual battle to know who's the strongest. As a lion's roar, so no one's backing down. It is a dark war, principalities and powers. Oh, it is a dark war, principalities and powers on a rampage. Who is gonna waste this fire? It's happening. The fire of rage is burning. It's a challenge of powers.
You killed her and fiance.
Of course I keep to my words.
Did you realize that you're going against the rules and regulations?
I don't care about it.
Enough! Did I do bad? Did I do any bad by initiating you and your sister to the coven? That you would go about killing people at any slightest provocation? Who does that?
Well, I have one enemy left out.
You already know. Now you better be careful.
Principalities and powers on a rampage. Who is gonna waste this fire? It's happening. The fire of rage is burning. It's a challenge.
Wait, you mean your mother killed Chief Duko?
Cora did.
I don't understand.
My love, I'm beginning to think we should leave this country. I mean, nothing lasts forever. Everything is...
Wait, honey. Are you trying to tell me you're not afraid of your own family?
No, not at all. Definitely not that. These people will stop at nothing to kill us. My mother, Cora, they are mean. And in turn, I might just kill them first.
Yes, you have a point. Suffer not a witch to live. Since they have decided to come after our lives, the best form of defense is attack. That we shall do.
It's a spiritual battle to know who's the strongest as a lion's war. So no one's backing down. It is a dark war. Principalities and powers. Oh, it is a dark war.
I want you to forget that young man and let your daughter have him.
Of course. I know you won't support me on this.
Golden.
Enough! Now you better stop.
I will not have you attack Barbara. I will not.
Because you know she's your flesh and blood, huh?
And you know that she is your flesh and blood too. Leave her alone.
I will cut her off. And I will make her life miserable.
I will make her stronger than you and your daughter. You and everything put together will never win. You know how dear she is to me. Even when she doesn't know that I am her biological father.
And I will slit your throat right in front of your shrine. Of course, if you dare me, you know me too well, I don't bluff.
No strand of her hair and that of her husband must be removed. And if you do, you will ever regret that you did.
You are talking bullshit. I need you to work for me. Meet me at the basement by 4 a.m.
It's a spiritual battle to know who's the strongest as a lion's war. So no one's backing down. It is a dark war. Principalities and powers. Oh, it is a dark war. Principalities and powers.
Joanne, what's the meaning of this letter? You're resigning?
Yes, sir. With immediate effect, sir.
Why? Or is it because of what you told me?
Sir, I don't want to die. I'm the only daughter in my family. And besides, this past week have been terrible. So I just want to resign and mind my business, sir. I'm sorry this is coming to you this way, but I have to do it. I can't continue working with you, sir. Sorry.
Well, it seems you've made up your mind. It's okay. Thank you for the services you've rendered to this company. I will calculate your emoluments and pay you off.
Thank you, sir.
It's a spiritual battle to know who's the strongest. strongest as a lion's roar. So no one's backing down. It is a dark war. Principalities and powers. Oh, it is a dark war. Principalities and powers on the rampart.
Are you Mr. Obi Okenna Okoye? Mr. Man,
yes, I am. What's going on here?
You are under arrest for money laundering, drug trafficking, and illegal possession of firearms. You have the right to remain silent, or whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law.
What are you talking about? Sorry, there must be a mistake somewhere. Gentlemen, there must be a mistake somewhere.
Please, move, sir.
Can I at least explain myself?
When you get to station, yes, please.
Can you allow him at least explain?
Sir, please.
Move!
You don't have to treat him that way.
I said there is a mistake somewhere.
Please, I don't want to push you. Move.
Can you just calm down a minute?
Move. Please, call my lawyer.
Please move.
Call my lawyer. Call my lawyer, please.
Officer, please. I'm not stopping you from doing your jobs. But you need to understand, that's my car there. That's not even my husband's car. That's mine. And let me take my car.
Like I said, you have no access to any of it.
I am not asking to take anything else. Just my car. At least for my baby's sake, for God's sake.
No. Please,
this
madam.
is not nice. This is not fair. I will sue you all. It doesn't make any sense to me. Why can't I have my car?
I can't say this again. Like I said, you have no access to any of this property anymore till further notice. Please. So please, just...
That car was bought with my husband's money.
Please.
And I have the documentation to prove it.
Madam, please, can we just go?
You people will hear from me.
Let's go, madam.
Go away with me.
Let's go.
Nice. Super nice. I love it that way. Put him behind bars. Let him spend the rest of his life in prison. Now do me a favor. Throw the keys to the oceans and let it remain there. That's what I'm talking about. But I am grateful. Thank you very much. There are many ways to kill a rat. Okay, now, you will be in prison. You will never see the sky again. In the name of whatever God you serve. Amen.
Mom, why are you doing this? Why?
To let you know that I am the big dog. You and your husband put together will suffer my anger, is a promise. Oh, you seem to be homeless, I guess. Why don't you buy yourself a house? You think everything is about using your powers and turning your mother into two-day cripple? It's time to use your lioness forces and bring out your husband from my lion's den. Good luck.
Mom! Oh my God, what do I do? What do I do? Oh, what do I do now?
This... Oh, come. Is he not aware that he will be given the title today? But he told me in his office that he will be in the village with his family. That's what he told me. So what is happening now? What is happening? What's going on? I want to know. What is actually going on? His lines are not going through. None of his line. No, now, okay, now, okay. Look, what is happening? I want to know what is really happening. No, you can't keep the Igwe and his cabinet waiting. How can you keep them waiting? Please, let him know that he cannot keep the Igwe waiting. Okay? Let him know. Let him know that he cannot keep the Igwe waiting. Okay. We are waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting.
Venice, Venice. Yes, it's me. Please, Venice, I need your help. The FCC people took my husband. I don't have anywhere. No, I don't have anyone else to turn to. Venice, please. At least let me just have a place to put my child while I run around and get my husband out. I am begging you, please. But I was there for you when you needed help. Every one of you have helped you. I've helped you guys in the past. Why can't you just help me? My mother will not come for you, I promise you. Just do this for me, please. I don't have any place to stay. You can leave me outside. They took everything. I'm coming from the other house. It was sealed. They took everything from me. Like, I just have my phone, my card, and my baby. That's all. Venice, please. If you do this for me, I will never forget. Venice! Venice!
Receptionist, you can see I've been trying for a while now and the phones do not seem to... I don't know, my account is still not working. I think it's network. Why not just give us a room? You know me too well. Please, just give us a room so that he can rest at least. Please, you know me now. I won't want to lose your money, I promise.
Mama, that is not possible. No way to be possible.
Come on. You know me. I come here regularly for meetings. Don't do this.
Mom, please. It's against our policy, yeah. You know that the management will not take it.
That's fine. It's okay, Mira. It's okay. Shh.
Oh my God. It's okay, baby. Okay, it's okay. Okay? Okay?
Yeah, I'm sorry. What? What are you talking about? Oh my God. You mean my accounts were freezed? My mother. Oh, so she's involved in this. This is not right. She doesn't have any right to freeze my accounts. I'm a nursing mother, for God's sake. How do you expect me to survive? Come on, what do you want me to do? I'm out in the streets. I just need some money, just a little cash. Just... Hello? Jude, how would you do? Mama, Uncle, that was how it happened. They forcefully took my husband, seized all our properties, and just threw us out of the house.
Hey! Chimo Atokwanimo. So you mean government arrested my son just like that? Eh? Hey, Chimo.
Nena. She said they invited him for questioning, not arrest. Did you hear her say arrest?
Nai, am I deaf? Am I deaf? Do you mean I did not hear what she explained?
Biko, our wife. Uncle. Did you say the people came all the way from Abuja?
Yes, Uncle. Yeah. Hi. So I am not going to see my son again. My only son. Hey!
Now stop crying now. Your son is not dead.
Hey!
What do I do? What do I do now?
Don't cry. Calm down. Don't cry. Your husband is not dead.
Okay, now.
He's coming back. He's not dead.
Okay, now, my only son. Okay, now you could have stayed back in the village and continue with your drawing cats, dog, animals, everything. Draw and paint it everywhere. It could have been better for me than this condition.
He's coming
Who is
back.
going to help me? So I'm not going to see my only son again.
He will definitely come back.
God help me.
When they are through with their questioning, he will come back.
Hello? Alaji, please, I need your help. You're the only one that can help me right now. What? No! I am not fighting my mother. Alaji, she is the one fighting I and my husband. Why would I want to fight her? No, I didn't creep. What are you saying? No, I didn't creep. Alaji, please. Is it that you don't want to help me because you are a friend or what? I understand you are a friend, but right now I need you to really help me. Please. Alaji, you know what? Oh, you mean I can see my husband? Yes, thank you, but I need you to help me. I want him to be free. Alaji, please, you can help me in secret. She doesn't need to know. Please, sir. Alaji Umar. Alaji Umar. Hello? Alaji Umar. Any problem? I called a family friend of ours. He said he was going to help, at least see my husband. I was going to write to EFCC.
Okay, in Abuja.
Yes.
Can I go with you?
I don't know for now. Let me just think. How is Shibuna?
Oh, your baby is sleeping. How do we make an arrangement? You say your mother?
Mama, please, can we not talk about my mother right now? I do not want to talk about my mother. Don't mention her, please.
What do we do?
Mama, please just let me think.
Son? Oh my son. How do I see my son? Son? How do I see my son? Where do I see my son?
I'll call you back. Let's go ahead with the plans, as discussed. Now what is all this? Oh! So you still have the power to disappear and reappear, right? I thought you've given your husband, Okenna, all the powers to disappear and reappear. Look at you. Who even asked you to kneel in the first place?
Cora, Mom, I don't want to fight anymore. Please, just let my husband go. I know you have the power to ruin him, but please don't. Please, I am begging you. Please, if I've ever wronged you in any way, I'm sorry. Forgive me, please.
Oh, please, Barbara, will you just shut up?
You are an enemy, and that enemy you will always be. Now get out from this house before I devour you. Mom, please.
You heard her. Get up and leave. I'm warning you, you have not even started crying. You'll remain in pain for the rest of your life if you don't listen to me.
Mom,
get out.
I'm still your daughter. Please. Please, I am sorry. Please, I'm begging you.
Oh, please.
Barbara, you had Mom. Get out. Else. God, take her out.
Did you see what you did to him?
Mom, can you stop this, please?
I am warning you!
Ijoma. Barbara. Where are you? Barbara. She's not here. Who is this girl? Ijoma. Mom, your baby is crying, oh. Barbara, come and feed your baby, oh. Barbara, come and breastfeed your baby. He is crying. She's nowhere to be found. Hey, you people will not kill me. Eh? You should allow me to face one problem. Barbara! Ha! Oh, your baby is crying. Ijoma.
Mama. Mama, what is it?
Ijoma.
Mama.
Where have you been?
I've been here.
Which year? I've been searching for you everywhere. When are you traveling to Abuja to go and see your husband?
I sent my friend your account details. As soon as she sends the money, then I'll travel to see my husband.
Why my account details? Is it not a transport money that they are going to send?
Mama, there's a reason I did that. Let's just leave it that way, okay?
What about Chibuna? Will you...
Mama, you ask impossible questions. Are you going to breastfeed him? Am I not the one that will still breastfeed him? I will go with my son, don't worry.
It's alright.
Yes, Mama.
Oh?
Okay, Mama.
Chibuna.
You want to go with your grandma? Grandma is leaving now. Do you want to go with grandma? You want to go with grandma? Okay, oh. Since you now pray your grandmother, not me.
Baby.
Amaka! Amaka! Just calm down. Come on, calm down now. Amaka! Wait, get out of this. So now you Abi? So now this guy Abi?
Hey, I don't know. You want to ruin my beautiful moment with my new boyfriend? Are you mad?
So now you Abi?
Baby, don't mind him.
So now you the tumble for my front?
Hey, Doze, you better take your stupid
For my
face
front?
out of this place.
So now you the tumble my woman? I don't talk. You don't stop now. You just stop. You go wound them. You go wound them. Jojo, go wound them. You say how to now? What's the worry you? Jojo, Jojo. Jojo is what you call Abi. Jojo.
My man alone. Jojo. My man.
Why? See, you the Jones, so Baba, you the Jones, you be very useless guy. You the Jones, well. You the Jones, you be very useless guy. My and you now. If no, maybe not. Now, you be very useless guy.
You the craze. I say you the mad. Oh, you expect me? Man, follow you. Go to fight my fellow man because of woman. I the craze. I don't fit try that kind of thing.
Wait. Wait, they try me.
I no fit.
What are friends for? Wait, if you don't follow me, fight my fight. Wait till he come make you my friend. If to say you put hand, we for mend that guy, blue and black. We for amend that guy. But as a useless friend where you be, you just leave everything for me. You see I say the Jones Abi?
God forbid. I no go ever for my life, I no fit fight because of woman. Amaka no love you. Leave and go for another person. She no love you.
Okay, this point now, Amaka no love me. Amaka where they come my house, cook for me, wash for me, crash for my house. I go even carry Amaka, you and Amaka take one out and I go chop my money. You don't reach this point now to fight with me. Amaka no love me again. You don't say I say they crazy, boy. Make I tell you, make I yarn you now. Anywhere you see me, Mahaba, avoid me. They yarn me, just avoid me.
See this one. Now me go avoid you, now you go avoid me, now me go avoid you. Come for here. Who send you? I know they follow you again. They go where they go. Don't sense person. I said no, Papa.
You see what I'm saying? You see that Okena's hand is not pure. It's nowhere to be found. Even though when the king had decided to give him the title he was looking for, he disappeared. Can you see that his hand is not pure? This is what I'm saying.
My brother, you are right. You are very correct. Ake had Rocha. His hand is not pure. That is why he did not care for the title.
Kalu, you are a useless man. You are a useless man. I heard everything that you said. You are a complete non-entity. You are a useless. Let me tell you. Okay, now we get that title. You cannot stop him. Who are you to even stop him? Where are you coming from? A madman like you cannot stop him. Bet with me if you want to bet. Kalu, you are a mad man.
Madman. Let me tell you, you lie. You lie, idiot. You are a madman too. Let me tell you. You see, Okenna cannot take that at you because he's a ritualist. Okay. Let me ask you, nonsense man.
Idiot man.
Why did he run away? He could have stayed. Let Amado has struck him dead. Why is he running? Why is he running?
Because we strike you dead. It is the God that will strike you. Dead. Are you joking with me? Are you joking with me? What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
Queen Mother, Cora killed Lina. Why? Why? This is totally unacceptable. Queen Mother, she killed Lina and her fiancé just when they were about to get married.
Oh, you shut up your mouth, Susan. How dare you talk rubbish in front of my mother? Are you sick or something?
I was not talking rubbish. I was only stating a fact. Besides, she is not only your mother. She is also our mother. Queen Mother, Barbara should pay for this. She has broken the law. Please do something. Please, Queen Mother.
Enough, Susan. That's enough. I have heard your cry. Allow me to do things my way. I will handle it.
But Queen Mother, anyone that breaks the code, you do not hesitate to kill the person. Enough! That's enough! All of you! Enough! I've had enough!
I warned you. I begged you to quit, but you refused. Now take a look at this. What do I do? What do I do with your child? Why won't men just listen to us women? I begged you to go back to your art, that your wealth is in your head, but you refuse. Just get art exhibitions. You have money. Just do something. Do something. Make your art a bigger brand. But you will not listen to me. You won't listen to me. I knew my mother was going to use this against you someday. But you just wouldn't quit. How do I get you out of this mess? How do I even get myself out of this mess? I begged you. Let's go to South Africa. Let's go to Dubai. Your art will fetch us millions. Millions. We won't even suffer. But you refuse. You refuse. You refuse. Why did you decide to do this to me, Okenna? Why have you made my life this horrible? You are a lion. And you knew that you shouldn't have this. You knew my mother would drag this out. That she wouldn't back down. That she would fight with the last drop of her blood. You knew. I told you. I warned you. Look at this. Look at me. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
No. Somebody help me! Somebody please help!
Mama, wait. Please don't do this for me.
Somebody! Please help me! Please help!
Run the transfer! Run the transfer! I'll do it. Wait. Come on, do the transfer. Sorry. Do the transfer. I beg. Do the transfer. I did do. Jesus, I did do. I did do. See, I'm here. See. I beg, don't kill me. Please. See. I beg, don't kill me. Please, don't kill me. Please, don't kill me. Shh. I beg, don't. Please.
Why now? Why you buy this innocent man? Remember, this was not the plan. If you touch this was not the plan.
Chris, this idiot, they enter my woman.
And because of woman, you buy this innocent man.
Man will come up for here. Come on, get out.
Man no do. Man with the go. Man no do.
Joseph, wait, what's here? What are you doing inside here?
I go shit now. I don't feel shit again for my village.
You go shit. I know fit trust you, this boy. I know fit trust you. What did that happen to that place? Okay, where is the owner of this car?
See question. How am I supposed to know the owner of the car now? What thing concern me concern the car? Don't be shit, I go shit.
Oh boy, come on your eyes from my chest. Joseph, I don't trust you. Where is the owner of this? Come and show me the owner of this car.
Leave me.
Come and show me the owner of this car. You go come show me. Come show me. I want to see the owner of this car. Come here.
Let me know the owner of this car. Come on.
Come on, get out. Joseph! This boy. I know something must be wrong somewhere. Jesus! Paul! I said it! Help! Paul! Help!
Doctor, please, can I go see her now? Say something, please. How is she? Is she okay?
I'm sorry. She passed on.
What?
Well, we lost her.
No.
Hey.
No.
Sorry, please. Just take it easy, please.
I hope the orange is sweet. What a lot.
Very sweet. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. I wish my son will get married to you. But we are not from a rich home. Look at you. You have a car. I imagine your wealthy background.
Mama, come on, stop. It's not like that.
No, it's like that too. Rich people goes to rich people. That is how it is.
Mama, can we just stop with the rich and wealthy background? Can we stop it? See, Okena is my friend. But I'll make you a promise today. I will always come to visit you. Yes.
Are you sure?
I promise.
Are you serious?
I am serious.
I'll be waiting for you.
I will come.
Try and keep your promise.
Mama, before you get tired of me, don't worry.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
I'm expecting you.
I'll come, I promise. I'll come.
For my cousin's sister, your sister killed. For everything. For attacking the lioness.
Susan! How dare you! Step aside, else I will devour you, bitch! Get out!
I say, it's good that you are here. I will kill you myself. Ikuku! Ah!
What's wrong? What happened? What happened to you? Mama, what happened? What happened? Mama, what's going on?
Okay. Talk to me, child. No. It's okay. What is it? What happened to you? Speak.
Susan betrayed us!
Susan, it's okay. You'll be fine.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You'll be fine.
It's okay. It's okay. You'll be fine. It's alright. Get a fan. It's alright. Cora.
It's a spiritual battle to know who's the strongest as a lion's roar. So no one's backing down. It is a dark war. Principalities and powers. Oh, it is a dark war. Principalities and powers.
Are you gonna watch me? Cora!
Who's gonna face this fire? It's happening.
Lioness.
The fire
You're
of
trying
rage
me.
is burning.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Principalities and powers at war. It's a challenge of our.
Yes, we pray through Christ our Lord.
Amen.
Amen. It is well with you, my sister.
Thank you, Father.
I have to be on my way now. I just have to take your prayer seriously. Okay?
Yes, Father. Please just wait. Don't go yet. I've been meaning to tell you this. Please. We've known for years now, Father. You've been a very good friend of this family. Thank you for making me give my life to Christ.
The pleasure is mine.
I am grateful. I didn't tell you I have a daughter.
You have a daughter?
Yes, Father.
Is she aware you are in this condition? And how come you've not told me about that?
It was part of what I told you last time, but I didn't mention she was my daughter. Please, I am begging you. With everything in me, just help me. Find her. Please. It's my desire that I see my daughter again and walk with her before I die. Please.
You are not going to die. Okay? Meanwhile, do you have any means with how we can communicate or get her?
Well, no.
Or maybe a picture.
That's my daughter.
Oh.
Her friends told me they don't know her whereabouts and her lines are switched off.
It's alright. Bless.
Thank you, Father.
You have a nice day.
Life without Christ is crisis. No single moment of peace at all. Outside Christ, there's no life. No. But in Him is peace.
Where are you going to? I'm actually going to the market to get things for my mom.
Okay.
Guess who I saw today? I saw OK Japan.
Hey! OK Japan?
Yes.
That is in the prison.
He was looking so dirty and tattered.
He's out?
He's out because I saw him.
Okay. Hey! Chai! How is he going to take the news of his mother's death?
I don't know.
Hey!
I don't know.
Oh, I pity this boy. Hey!
Wow.
Oh, he's out. Looking tattered.
Looking very tattered.
No problem, eh? I'm gonna buy. Go to the market.
Okay, bye. See you.
Congratulations in all things.
Thank you, Uncle.
Welcome, my nephew. You see, your wife is a strong woman. Oh. Very, very strong woman. You need to thank Mama Chibuna. Eh? She deserves flowers. Eh? Give her all her flowers.
She always gets it, Uncle.
She always gets it, eh? She deserves more.
Thank you so much.
You
In fact,
see, all the men in this village, Odo, Yongo, Okoko, Fulso, all of them, they want to live with her.
They cannot now.
No way! She stood her ground.
I
She said no. She will come and report them to me. Then me, I will go there and fight them.
I know what you can do.
You know what I love about her? She's very optimistic. She stood her ground. That no shaking. She's going to wait for you. She waited. You're a strong woman.
Thank you so much, Uncle. She even told me how you helped during my mother's burial. I really appreciate it.
I have to do that.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
God bless you, Uncle.
You see, I will need to go and see the Igwe on your behalf.
What for?
You see that title? What for again? That title. Aguneche Obodo. You must get it, oh.
Uncle, I'm not rich though.
Uncle, please. My husband just came back. He needs to rest.
I don't deserve that yet.
Before that, yes.
I will.
Yes, please.
Even when everybody was saying she stood a grant for you.
I trust her, Uncle. This.
May the peace of the Lord be with you all.
And also with you, Father.
How are you?
We're fine, and you?
I'm okay. Can I sit?
Of course, make yourself comfortable.
Please.
I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow.
I'm sorry. I can't even look at your faces. I'm sorry, Barbara. Please just find a place in your heart to forgive me. I have wronged you in so many ways, you and your husband. Please. I know I'm not worthy to be called your mom, but I'm a changed person now. I'm asking you for mercy. Please. Please just forgive me. Forgive me. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Mom, please forgive me. Mom, it's okay.
It's okay, Mom. I forgive you.
Just like that? Are you sure?
Yes. We forgive you. That's the reason we're here in the first place.
Okay, now please. Please forgive. Thank you.
Outside Christ, there's no life.
Take everything. Everything that belongs to me. All my properties scattered abroad. Please. It's for you and your husband. Then my little grandchild. Do me a favor. Forgive your late sister. Please.
From the depths of my heart, I forgive her.
Thank you so much. You've always been an amazing, strong girl.
I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back. No turning back. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back.
Here we are.
No turning back.
Yeah.
Let me go check on Mom.
All right. Father.
Father. You're here.
Yes.
Good day, Father.
Good day.
Good day, Father.
Good day.
Let me leave you both and go check on my mom.
Excuse me. I am sorry. Your mom is late.
What? Oh, sorry?
What did you say, Father?
Your mom is dead.
What? What?
How? What?
My mom?
Lady Gold?
Yes.
Yes.
Mom!
Honey? Babe!
Let us spiritual battle to know who's the the strongest as a lion's roar. So no one's backing down. It is a dark war. Principalities and powers. Oh, it is a dark war. Principalities and powers on the rampage. Who is gonna waste this fire? It's happening. The fire of rage is burning. It's a challenge of ours. Principalities and powers at war. It's a challenge of ours. As a lion's roar, so no one's backing down. It is a dark war. Principalities and powers.